Hey, what's up? This is Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and it's too long didn't review for the Nakto Camel, or cargo bike. This bike is readily available on Amazon, but they also have a USA office that handles repairs and shipping. I got to go there and check out some of their bikes, including this one. Taking a look at the Camel or cargo bike, it has plenty of accessories: a rear rack, front headlight, fenders, shock, front basket, a cushy seat, and a double-sided kickstand. Electrically, it's rocking a 36-volt 10-amp-hour battery with a 250-watt rear hub motor. It has pedal assist and a throttle. All of this for $649 and $50 shipping. It's called a cargo bike in the listing, but honestly I think they do that just to get a greater reach. The bike itself really doesn't have anything about it that's special for cargo other than the fact that it has a rear rack. The bike itself is in for a cheap price, but you can assume that that also comes with cheap parts, but you kind of knew that already, didn't you? The basket looks wicker, but it is plastic. The double-sided kickstand mounts to the axle, which is a real pain to work on. I think the battery cells are from Tianeng out of Zhejiang. It's not really a bad thing, but certainly not a household name. The gearing is the lowest on the hierarchy, and the bike is generally made for a small person. All of these parts will need constant repairs or replacements to ensure effective use, such as the rim brakes, the plastic pedals, probably the tires, the seat, etc. Truth be told, I haven't had one for a long period, so I can't speak with too much confidence. Since the bike is readily available and really cheap, I think it can reach a lot of people who otherwise wouldn't afford an electric bike. The bike scores highly in the price department and scores a little bit extra for distribution. Unfortunately, it suffers in performance and long-term utility. I score the Nakto Camel or cargo bike 3.75 out of 5 bananas. Thanks for watching Too Long Didn't Review. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on the later.